Hey y'all, so I'm back with an update video. So we have a door and we also have a driveway. So we have a whole lot of updates since the last one. They finished our brick and everything. So now we've got baseboards in, the walls are painted. We have our doors in also. So we did get the 8-foot doors. I feel like I mentioned that before, but yeah, we still have to get the hardware, of course. So we have that. Have our door for our closet in here. The tile in here is supposed to go all the way, let me take the sticker off. Supposed to go all the way up to the ceiling, but they missed that, so they have to come back and complete the tile. And then we have our cabinets in. So this is the tile that we have on the floor. And then the tile that we have in the shower. Then the same thing with this room. I'm not gonna go all the way in there because same thing. Then we have our hallway. They still have to put in our lights. But we have our hall closet door. The office now has doors. I'm thinking about I'm either gonna paint these doors black or I'm going to get single panel glass doors instead and paint those black. I don't know, what do you think I should do? In the comments, tell me if I should just keep these doors and paint them black or get the single panel glass. I feel like single panel looks more modern, but I don't know. Then living room pretty much looks the same. Still have to do the baseboards in here, but we do have cabinets. So we have our cabinets in. I'm so happy that I'm gonna have drawers for my pots and pans. Eventually I wanna get some upper cabinets done with like the glass doors, but that'll probably be a lot further down the line. Then here's where our oven and microwave will go. And then we have our shelving in the pantry also. Then we also have the tile in the laundry room done. We want to put black cabinets in here. And then, what do you call it? I want to get front loading washers, so we want to put like an encasement for those. And then our mud bench. Then our bedroom and our bathroom. So here's our tile. We got the same thing in both bathrooms. So this actually makes the tile look dark for some reason, but it's actually pretty light. So I don't know why it's coming up like that, but then our cabinets. But we did get the tile up to the ceiling in the shower. And then I wish we had a drop-in tub, but they didn't even have that option, so it still looks nice though. And yeah, nothing's really changed in here. Well, besides the racks. So yeah, we've had a lot of progress since the last time. We have our thermostat in here now too. But yeah, we've had a lot of progress. We should get a closing date next week, but they did tell us that we should be closing by the last week of December. So that's exciting. So yeah, this is just a quick update. Oh, and then of course, this is what our front door looks like all the way from down here. So it lets in a lot of light. I'm so excited about it. It looks so nice. Like, it's literally everything I dreamed of. So I'm very, very excited. So yeah, I mean, everything looks so good. I just love how much light the door lets in. But yeah, it's literally everything I could have imagined it to be. So we are so happy. Once we get a closing date, I'll come back and let you know. You want to come on the camera? You can't hold it. Just say hi.
Hi. Look at this thing right here.
Are you going to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm going to do like a
Are you going to say your name?
Cameron.
Oh.
I'm going to karate kick this. I'm going to do my karate.
Leave it alone, girl.
I'm going to make the best.
So, yeah.
Pick him up.
I will be back next week with some more updates.